What is discovery of zero? It is considered that zero was discovered by Aryabhatta. He was great Indian mathematician and astronomer of classic age. But what exactly did he discover? Was it a symbol of zero? No. To understand this, let us consider the number system which was invented before discovery of zero and still known to us. Roman number system. Let me explain this system to you. If I want to write 30 in this system, then I will write it as XXX, where X stands for 10. So each X in this number has value of 10, and addition of this 3 10 gives me 30. So if I want to write 100 in this system, then it is written as XXX 10 times, which is not convenient. So they assigned new symbol for 100 as C. Now if I want to write 1000, then I have to write it as CCC 10 times. Again, this is not convenient. So they assigned new symbol for 1000, that is M. So for large numbers, they had to create different symbols. As numbers are infinite, this number system is not sufficient to represent large numbers properly. If you want, you can try writing this number in Roman number system. In few minutes, you will find it impossible, or you can search on Google for this number and still you will not be able to find equivalent Roman number. Other existing number systems present at that time were similar. To overcome this problem, Aryabhatta invented new number system which is currently being used. In this system, digits are limited, that is 0 to 9, and he gave importance to the place of that digit. Let me explain this with the help of an example. So let us consider a number 1,42,464. The rightmost 4 has value 4 into 1. Here 1 is the value of rightmost place. This 4 has value 4 into 100. 100 is value of third place. And this 4 has value 4 into 10,000. Again 10,000 is value of place. So same digit may have different values according to its place. So if I am considering 4 places, then rightmost place has value 1. That is, digit at this place will be multiplied by 1. Hence it is known as unit place. Next place has value of 10. That is, digit at this place is multiplied by 10, and it is known as tens place. Next has value of 100. So hundreds place, and next has 1000. So thousands place. So Aryabhatta invented this place value system, and 0, that is digit with no value, was first observed in this system. Hence, discovery of this system is known as discovery of 0. Some people may claim that higher numbers were existent before discovery of 0. However, discovery of 0 was not discovery of these numbers. In fact, it was discovery of way of representing these numbers. This was all about discovery of 0. If you have any questions, write in the comment section below, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.